distance. I like that jeep. Yeah. Lots of bikers. Wow, lechon manok. Manok, manok, manok.
So here we are in, what mall is this?
SM Reclamation.
SM Reclamation.
We're finding turkey.
Looking for a turkey. We've been no luck finding a turkey anywhere. So this is one of the malls that he can get into.
Right, that's an escalator.
You want to ride the escalator up and down? So how you like your lunch?
Yeah, I miss this place.
Now we're at Kenny Rogers. We ate much, and this is our neighbor, Miss Wally, and his wife, and there's a beautiful little girl right there.
Being a brat.
Yeah. And of course, there is little Liam. Hi, Liam. Are you full?
Yeah, he said he's full.
Are you full? Oh my gosh, a big giraffe. Wow, look down here, hon.
Yeah, that's ay mga native.
Wow, look at all the natives.
Oh, native bugs. So cute. Look at the guitar.
Hey, little guitars over there,
Oh,
everything.
look at the clock, honey. Made of shell.
You see the round bag right there?
Yeah.
What do you want, hon? You want to come up here, Daddy? Okay. Big leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Couple of boys, huh? Just hanging out here with my special little buddy. Did you have fun here at the mall? Did you go on the up and down? Yeah? You want to tell Nanny tonight when you see her that you went to the big mall?
This really big mall?
Yeah, we're going to go to another mall when we leave here, okay?
You do puppies?
I don't know if they have puppies or not. We can look and see if they have puppies.
Did you see the puppies downstairs?
Yeah. Yeah, those puppies.
18,000 and 35,000.
18,000 and 35,000. Get your vaccine card. You can come over here to
It was a poodle?
Reclamation Mall where we're at now.
They're actually
And we had lunch with our neighbors. But you have to be vaccinated to come here into the mall. So we did that. We're also looking for a turkey for Thanksgiving. But the problem is we can't find a turkey nowhere for Thanksgiving.
To take care of it.
Yang paon, ihang iitsa. 1 month na sa buhay na mo.
Pull my ear off.
Na-stress ang ito.
Puppy kisses. Oh, no puppy kiss for Daddy. Okay. Oh. But it was a great day to get out of the house and we come up here and walk around the mall. It's a big mall.
Just ordered one of these and y'all shared it.
So I'm gonna finish eating. We got a lot of good food here. Okay, so here we are in J Mall. This is where we do immigration and stuff. And of course the stairs are not working, so you gotta climb. So we're gonna go here and see if we can't find a turkey here in J Mall.
What happened to the moving stairs?
Yeah, what happened to the moving stairs? Any comment? I don't know what happened to the moving stairs, hon. They don't work. Here's Ace Hardware, one of my favorite stores. Oh, they got moving stairs.
You want pictures there? You want pictures there?
Okay. This is a pretty good sized mall. This is where we usually go get immigration done. Our I-cards for immigration. Little Liam, what is mama? So, here we are in Robinson's Mall. It's not a very big mall. They have a McDonald's down here. They have a Jollibee around the corner. They have some places to sit down here now you can eat. Let's go find out where everybody's at. Not sure where we're going. Okay, so here we have Robinson's Mall, and the same thing happened here. No turkey. Nobody has turkey in this city. So I guess we'll move on to somewhere else. Okay, looks like we're going to get something to eat here at Jollibee's. See if we can't get inside. Yep, mama. We'll go over here at Jollibee's. See if we can get in. Let's see. Okay, second floor? Yeah, oh. Everyone. Okay. We'll put Liam. So this is the upstairs. They still got the panels between the seats. Sit over with Kaka, okay? Mommy and Daddy sit right here. That's where the big kids sit, over there, because you guys are big kids. And Ding Ding will sit here because she's a baby, okay? And Mommy and Tita will sit over there, okay? Okay, so we got Jollibee's. We got in for Jollibee's for lunch, and let's see what we got. We got spaghetti. Rice, and we've got Jollibee chicken. Looks really good too. Oh, breast meat. Oh, very good. Got the big kids over there. Got the big kid table, and we got Ding Ding right there. There's Ding Ding. There's Tita. That's the aunt, and the Yaya here in the pink. So how much was lunch altogether, hon? Huh? $13.9? $5.9? Oh, so 600 pesos. We got 1, 2, 3 spaghetti plates. How many pieces of chicken? 6 pieces of chicken, drinks, gravy, all for $10. So $10.
Okay, you wanna eat rice? Yours, Nana?
Yeah, all for $10. That's not bad for lunch.
Spaghetti ka, tita.
So I guess we're gonna eat now. Later. Okay, so we decided it's going to stop here at the Mactan Shrine, let the kid get some exercise. We've been in the van for a good half hour, 45 minutes. We'll let them stretch their legs and run a little bit. So here we are at the Mactan Shrine. Where's your shoes at, boy?
Uy, mga imat. Wala, zombie kung sila. Ang nga si mama. Zombie si mama, zombie si mama.
Tell me, hon, why do you look like a Muslim?
It's hot.
So
hot.
we drove all the way over here to look for a turkey, and then we ended up coming to
Mactan Shrine.
Mactan
because
Shrine.
He, at his age, he never experienced doing like this, barefoot, running.
So now he gets to experience a giant park. Now he gets to experience a big parking lot.
Yeah. Now, look at him.
We're not happy here.
Look at him. You can get your face mask, love. Put in your chin. Ipot na sa mong chin. Anak. Sige, running on to there. Ayaw, diha ka na dog poop. Mama. Dali, kay gumawa. Kanay sa air. Iguman kay mag-ita. Oy, na-hungry na ko, asas daddy.
That's gonna be hot on your feet. You better stay on the grass, Liam.
B, init ang kuan, B. Init, hot ang cement.
Stay on the cement, honey. It's hot. Yep.
Wipe your face. You're very sweaty.
Here, you hold this camera and you.
Honey,
It's on.
flower. I love this flower. My brother and Pipang walking, and the baby Kylie, our little princess. Say hi, baby. Our little princess.
And freed the Philippines. It's weird because last time we were here, all of this here was a beautiful little walkways with gardens and bushes. Got a statue here. Big guy.
That is Lapu-Lapu.
Is that the famous Lapu-Lapu? Let's take a gander at this fella.
Lapu-Lapu.
And there is the man. Got himself a big sword and shield, and he kicked Magellan's ass. You can't even get down to the beach no more, hon.
Yan, ay, they get the kuano, the bridge.
Yeah, it's gone.
They get the bridge. They tita oy, kato naman
You used to walk out to the. Used to walk on the beach.